Hey, it's Scott. Thanks for coming to income stream number 2 in the multiple income funnel. Or if you found this video on YouTube, you're going to want to watch this. Our partners explain everything, how you can work 1 to 2 hours per day using our proven blueprint that 20,000 plus people are. So without further ado, here you go. Watch the whole thing, and I look forward to connecting with you.
Congratulations for looking at the Legacy Builder program. I'm so excited you're here, and I can promise you after this video, you're gonna have a clear understanding of exactly what can happen to you being inside of our digital growth community and following the Legacy Builder program. So you might be listening to me right now going, man, Michelle, I just wanna make some extra cash. I wanna kind of get some pressure off, or maybe you want some of that fun money. Or maybe you're listening to me going, man, I really wanna get out of debt, start saving some money. I would love to learn how to make $300 a day, which is $109,000 a year. Or maybe you're listening to me going, I want to go for more of that higher 6 figures. I would love to learn how to make $600 a day, which is $219,000 a year. And many of you might be more like in a legacy builder mode, and you're like, man, I want to take advantage of what's going on in digital marketing, and please show me how to make $900 a day, which is over $328,000 a year. Would that change your life any? Well, guys, my name is Michelle O'Neill, and back in September of 2022 is when I discovered this process. And prior to discovering it, I was stressed. I was overwhelmed. I'm a mom of 6 kids. I only have 2 left at home, and time was slipping away. And I have 5 grandchildren. And you guys, time is the most important thing to me. And when I discovered this process, I was like, oh my gosh, if I can just learn how to make $54,000 a year working 2 hours a day, that would change my life. Because inside of the process, you guys, it shows you how to follow a 2-hour workday. I know, crazy, right? But it shows you how you could get your income earning activities done in 2 hours away. But let me share with you why. It's because of systems like this. Because of pages like this, you guys are going to be out there working for you 24/7. This is how I built a global business. It's pages just like this. And so let me show you a little bit what you're getting. This is what you get when you get part of the digital growth community and your Legacy Builder program. First of all, we are going to show you, isn't this neat, how easy and simple it is to follow? Look at this. You are going to learn step-by-step, super short training. See? 4 minutes. This one's a little bit longer, 14 minutes. This is 5 minutes. So super easy to follow training. Our goal is to get you to take action quickly. Do you see this? Launch to profit in 7 days. We actually show you how to build a business brand new and get it into profit in 7 days. Nope, my friend, you don't need a following. You don't need to have any experience. Matter of fact, I chose TikTok as my platform, and I wasn't even on TikTok prior to September of 2022. I actually thought TikTok was a dancing platform. And so when I discovered through the process here, the value of using TikTok, that's why I decided to use TikTok. You guys, I had no following. But yes, Facebook works, YouTube works, Instagram works. And we have a method called the copy and paste free ads method, where you can copy and paste free ads. You can be learning and earning at the exact same time. I launched my business on September 10th of 2022, and I had my first $300 day on the 13th. You guys, when you're part of the Legacy Builder program, you will get immediate access, not only to the program, but you'll get immediate access to your automated system and your website. That day, the day you get started, you can have a business out there ready working for you.
My name is Latoya Baptiste. I am from Lafayette, Louisiana, and I am just so thankful and grateful to have access to this amazing blueprint. Such an amazing opportunity. You know, you're looking at someone who's very familiar with business. I've been in business for over 12 years. I'm very familiar with passive income. I too have earned passive income. I made 6 figures. You know, I'm basically just recently recovering from a debilitating condition that had me down for the past 2 years. And guess what, y'all? My income dropped 350%. I wish I would have access to the blueprint sooner, but nonetheless, I'm happy I have access to it now. But what is so exciting about this blueprint, guys, is just the details within it. You know, I have spent countless of dollars on products and programs and to assist me with digital marketing, but it was always missing something. You had to pay monthly, you had to pay more, and it never gave you everything. I was able to see the passive income here, and what it does is basically it's automated. created. So it allows you to truly experience passive income on another level. I enjoy about it, it's no chargebacks, no MLM. When you get paid, you get paid. Another thing I'm so super excited about is the 100% profit. If you have any type of knowledge of brokerage system or affiliate marketing, you don't get 100% of the profit. There's no middleman. You're not getting crumbs of what's actually being paid. I'm looking forward to doing amazing things, helping a lot of people. That is in my heart. That's in my nature. That's what I love to do, is help people. So what an amazing opportunity to be able to share this with others. Thank you guys so much for creating this.
And with having a launch to profit to follow, you guys are going to know step by step exactly what you do. And no, you don't need any tech skills because the website is already pre-built and done for you. All you're going to do is plug in your name and it is ready to go. And all you're going to do is connect your payment button so you are paid directly into your bank account. You guys, I ended up making $7,000 my first month, $14,000 my second month, and $22,000 my third month. Following this process that you're looking at right here, you guys, you literally are giving the ability to make whatever goals and dreams you have. I ended up making my first 6 figures in 6 months by following this process. So let me ask you this. If you could be part of a community and part of a proven process where you could learn step by step how you can make that extra income or make passive daily pay, but what about also a reoccurring income stream? Because I'm going to show you how to connect the dots in digital marketing. And no, you don't need any experience in doing this. And I'm going to show you how to connect those dots so you can start learning how to make daily pay and also a reoccurring income. You have reoccurring bills. Why not a reoccurring income stream? And that is what I love. You guys, the digital world is exploding right now. Why not you? Why not you learn these skills so you can learn how to make daily pay? You set your goals, you set your dreams, and between the interactive program that we have with the Legacy Builder, we will help you reach those goals and dreams.
I am so proud to be a part of this community, to be sharing this new product line with the world. And that is because I know who's behind it. I know. And and Michelle is behind it. And there's the community that's behind it. These are people who care about you, about your success, and at the same time hold your feet to the fire to be the CEO of your life, because ultimately this is your business. Whether you have tons of experience or very little experience, if you want to be successful in the online space and learn how to make daily pay, you can do it. You can do it.
Now here's the great part. Because not only are we going to show you how to create recurring income stream, we can even show you how to create your own product if you want. But in the meantime, where you are learning and earning, when you launch with your Legacy Builder program, you're going to get 4 income streams. 100, 300, 600, and 900. You have the ability to immediately make 100% profit off of 4 different products that you didn't even create.
Hi, my name is Darren. I just have to give this testimonial because I just feel I owe this community so much, because it's transforming my life. When I joined, I was a struggling affiliate marketer, okay, and I switched my business to digital marketing to be part of this community. And I'm so glad I did, because I made my full investment back within 10 days of starting. It's taking momentum. I'm making sales in my sleep. I'm making sales when I'm on a dog walk, on holiday. My automations are insane. I think I'm averaging around 1 in 16, and it's just blowing my mind. I'm so excited about what's to come, and I'm so glad I'm part of it. And being here in this space, in this community, having live and interactive mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners is just mind-blowing and makes all the difference to your learning experience.
Because I will tell you what, the best thing I've ever done for my business is go from I was stressed and overwhelmed and learning how to build an email list, learning how to follow a 2-hour workday, learning how to automate my business while I was making 100%. It's the best thing that I've ever done for me and my family.
Digital growth community in which helped me to finally quit my job after 2 months. I remember last October, during that time, my daughter was sick and she needs to bring in a doctor, right? I don't have any money, right? Even $40, I don't have my pocket. I need to borrow to my sister. And it really hurts me, right? And for me, this is really game changing, right? I tell myself I don't want to happen it again. And last November 2023, I discovered the digital growth community. And I get very excited. I find someone who is inside that community and I join. And yeah, after 2 months, last January 2024, I already go home. I quit my job because I'm working 10 to 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours per day in New Zealand. So it's totally life changing, and now I am here in family, you know. And last January, I earned a total of $7,000, right, in just 1 month. And this month, March, I already earned almost $6,000, right? It's totally life changing. It's a huge money for me, and it's almost triple my salary in New Zealand.
So what's your next step? Your next step is to just go down right here, and there is a Get Started button, and click there. And the moment you purchase, you will immediately be taken to the page to pay your $29 website fee. Yeah, that's all it costs. You get your Legacy Builder product, right? It's a one-time cost for your Legacy Builder product, and a one-time $29 website fee. That includes your website pre-built and ready to go. All you gotta do is plug in your name and a picture of you if you want. And it is gonna be ready to go. And we walk you through those other steps you gotta take, but there's no building of a website. It's ready to go immediately. So you immediately been taken to that button, and then you immediately have access to your program, and you immediately have access to our community. Some people have been able to set it up in 30 minutes. Imagine if by the end of today, you have a business out there working for you. And then we're going to show you how to attract customers to you by utilizing social media the right way. So that means, my friends, you don't got to go find customers. You don't got to follow up with people. You don't got to friend request people. We will show you how to build a global, automated, online, rejection-free business where we will help you attract customers to you. This not only gives you your time back, but it gives you that freedom and that predictable daily pay income, because on average inside our community, you guys, this page converts at 1 out of 20 people. Imagine if you could plug into our interactive program and you could attract people to that page, and 1 out of 20 were buying from you. All you would need is 20 people a day to hit that page. There's 4.8 billion people just on social media alone. All you need is 20 a day. That could equal 900 a day, which is 6,300 a week. Would that change your life? And it doesn't matter what age you are. I love that about our community. We have literally 18 in there, up to people in 85, I think, is the oldest we have in our community. And I absolutely love this. You'll be in business for yourself, but definitely not by yourself.
Hey guys, it's Jenny Caniza from the Philippines, and I am 25 years old. So I've been in, digital growth community 3 months ago. I joined last December 2023, and it really changed my life, guys. I've been in different business ventures, MLM, affiliate marketing, but not getting the results that I want. But because of this community, because of the community that Michelle created for us, it really changed my life. The daily videos that she created every day, it really helped me to stay on track to get consistent results. So, I am able to get consistent results right now, and, having these weekly payments unlike before, and it really changed my life, guys. And, I am able to treat my parents now. We're able to, buy what we want right now, because before we're not able to do that. And, as of now, I am renovating my own room, to have my own room, because right now I am here at our sala, and, I sleep on our sofa because I don't have my own room. But because of this daily pay blueprint, guys, it really changed my life. Right now, I'm able to have my own room, and yeah, it really changed my life. So I am excited to be a six-figure earner this year.
What can I tell you? At a 67-year-old with a wife, 4 kids, 12 grandchildren, and 10 great-grandchildren, Daily Pay has been, and the digital growth community has been the best thing since marrying my wife that I've done. It has provided income. It's provided the ability for us to do things that we want to do that we didn't have the time to do before. It has provided us the ability to pay bills off, put money back in savings. What I'm telling you is, if you're sitting on the fence, get off the fence. Go get into this community and make yourself a legacy and your family a legacy.